y'all, former plant killer here, Jessie with Living on a Prayer Flower Farm. On this channel, we talk about turning my black thumb of death into a green thumb of life on my flower farm journey. If you'd like to join me on this flower farm journey, be sure to hit the subscribe button. And today's video, we are talking about planting some Dusty Miller and Delphiniums. Now here in Zone 8, we are getting close to time to getting these plants needing to go out. Well, not go out, but needing to at least start the seeds. So Dusty Miller says to start anywhere from 10 to 16 weeks. We're at 16 weeks to our last frost date. And Delphiniums need to go out from 10 to 12 weeks, so I'm starting them a little earlier than normal, but they really like cool weather. And our springs get hot here fast. I'm talking in May, it is anywhere from 80 to 90 degrees easily. So I need to get those started now so I can at least have some blooms in early spring. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to plant is my Dusty Miller. It's the new pelleted Dusty Miller. 88 days for cut foliage and 56 in containers. Oh, guess what? Dusty Miller is deer resistant. Yay! Deer resistant. These are going to be a great filler flower. So I'm so excited to grow this. Last year, I'm not sure if you watched my gardening tips or flower farm tips video, but I had so many flowers and no filler. So this year, learning from that, I'm going to have filler to go with my flowers. So it says, 8 to 10 weeks. Oh, maybe I had it backwards. These must be 10 to 16. Yep, I had it backwards. These are 10 to 16 weeks before. And these are 8 to 10 weeks. Dusty Miller is 8 to 10 weeks before. So I'm getting them started early, but from what I saw online, they can take a light frost and they'll be okay. It says, do not cover the seeds. His light aids in germination. Just make sure to use a light covering of vermiculite, or be sure to bottom water or mist lightly, which is why I've got my spray bottle. And that's what we'll do. Let's get it started. And from what I've read, it really likes the sun, so make sure you plant these where it gets lots of sun. Ooh, these are tiny. I wonder if you can see that. Can you see that? So tiny. How many of these did I order? 50. Ooh, okay. So I'm only going to plant about half. Because, hello, plant killer, I need to have a backup plan in case these don't work out. So if you're new to gardening, or even if you're a pro gardener, you know, always leave some seeds in case something happens, because if it can happen, it will happen. So let's talk about the Delphinium. I've got the Magic Fountain Mix from Johnny Seed. They are going to be beautiful blues and purples. I can't wait to see them in my garden just blooming up. I really hope I have better luck with these this year than I did last year. Don't plant these in July. Don't do it. Trust me. So they take 105 to 125 days to produce their flowers. I've got 500 seeds in this packet. They get 36 to 48 inches high, and they're poisonous. Just FYI. All right, so it does say to sow 10 to 16 weeks before last frost, transplant to packs or 3 to 4 inch pots 6 to 8 weeks after germination, harden off and transplant out after last frost. Oh, you can also sow these in a greenhouse or a low tunnel back in the fall, in August it says, and they'll be ready for sale in January. So that's pretty cool. Also, it reblooms late summer, early fall if cut back immediately after first blooms. Overhead irrigation is not advised. Well, that's awesome. All right, so let's get these planted. Since I got 500 of these, I think I'll do 5 per row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Probably do 25 of these, maybe 30. We'll see. If you're a newbie, let me tell you this right now. Never, ever, ever attempt to just pour water into these trays without first, actually just don't even try to pour water in the trays. Always pre-moisten your soil first, where it's not dripping wet, it's just nice, good, and moist. And then always spritz. Because if you don't do that, it's going to send your seeds everywhere. It's essentially washing them away. Ask me how I know this. I have learned so much. Okay, so let's fast forward a few weeks and see how these did. I'm of course going to use my marker and my labels to label these, because you need to label everything. So let's fast forward thanks to YouTube magic and see how these did. Whew, man, I tell y'all, that time travel is exhausting. Probably be easier if I had a TARDIS. Any Doctor Who fans out there? Anyway, so today's January 30th. These were planted January 3rd. And let's take a look at our Delphiniums and Dusty Miller and see how they are doing. Here are my Dusty Millers. They are so short. So short. And I guess I've got another one coming up. Woohoo! And maybe a second. So I guess they're still germinating. But these are just so short. So short for being a month old. I thought they would be taller. I'm hoping they'll continue to get bigger. But that's what Dusty Miller looks like. One's about a month old. And then my Delphiniums. Oh, my Delphiniums. Look, look. I got true leaves coming. Look at that. Let's see. Okay. But you see them. They're getting their leaves. They are just... I still got some popping up. See? You see that one right there? So they are doing great. I have Delphiniums. Yay, Delphiniums. Oh, I forgot to put this in here. Gosh, guys, I reached 100 subscribers today. 100. So my seedlings are doing great, and I'm just so excited though. Geez, that Dusty Miller is really taking forever to grow. Didn't think it would take that long. But here we are, and I've actually got Delphiniums growing outside. Yep, outside my bed that I didn't redo. I've got Delphiniums that are coming up, which is really crazy to me and exciting at the same time. Because they had started to come up in the fall, and then my husband ran over them with the lawnmower. Looking at you, Casey. And I thought for sure they wouldn't come back up. But here they are. I've got like three or four coming up. And they are like, we will survive. We will survive. And I'm like, yes, yes you will. Survive, my Delphinium, survive. And they're a whole lot bigger than these. So much bigger. I guess because they've just been growing. I just haven't noticed them. So very excited about that. Thank y'all for watching this video. If you'd like more videos about how to grow and starting from seed, be sure to check out this playlist right here. If you'd like more, if you'd like to watch another video on maybe you're new to gardening and are curious about seed starting supplies and flower harvesting supplies that I would recommend, check out this video right here. Thank you guys for tuning in as always, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.